Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Samira, aka Spice and Empress. If you're new here, I am doing a do-it-yourself at-home pedicure, since that we cannot really go to the salon right now to get our pedicures and manicures done. So I bought all these things from different stores. I will link them down in the description. Right now I am putting on the foot spa and also going over my toes with nail polish remover, and just take out any extra nail polish that I have on my toes. So now I am putting on the bubbles and testing the water to make sure it's not too hot, and then putting on the vibration in the foot spa. And then now I'm using some foot soak to put that in the foot spa. They recommended not to, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Now I'm putting my feet in and I'm gonna soak for 15 minutes. There's rollers and stuff underneath your feet in the foot spa to massage your foot just a little bit more. And now I'm taking my foot off, putting it on a old jersey that I have, and now I'm going to go in with the foot scrub. I bought this from Amazon. I'm going to take the foot scrub and just go all under my feet, and make sure that I get the foot scrub on my heel as well, and just rubbing it all over. So I'm taking this, I don't know what that called, but scrubbing thing, and I'm gonna scrub my heel with it. I bought these tools from Shein. It comes in a set. I'll link it down in the description as well. And just going all over my heel, under my feet, as you can see. Just so you guys know, after I soak my foot in the Epsom salt, I threw it out and I put some new water in the foot spa to use the scrub. Now I'm just washing out the foot scrub on my feet. Now I'm going to take the jersey that I have and just wipe my feet dry. Now I'm going to take that brushy thing and just brush on my toenails. I'm taking this other tool and just going into my cuticle, just to take out that dead skin all over my toes, all under my toes as well. The last time I had a pedicure professionally done was December 2019, before I went on my trip to Thailand. Now I'm doing the other side, same thing, going underneath my toes and going into the cuticles just to remove all the dead skin that built up over the few months I haven't had my toes done. Now I'm just taking in a damp paper towel and just wiping my foot clean, and now I'm going to cut my toenails to the length that I want. Most of my toenails are like broken, some are long, so I'm just cutting them to make them the same size. So this is what my toes look like after they've been cleaned and cut. Now I'm going in with the Sally Hansen Nail Nutrition, which has green tea and bamboo. It helps with strengthening your nails and helping it to avoid breaking easily. Now I'm taking the Sally Hansen gel nail polish. It's white, can't remember the exact nail color, but it's white, and I'm going that over my toes. Now I'm taking the cotton rounds and just going over the areas where I put nail polish on my actual skin and not my toes. Now I'm going in with the other side and putting the nail polish all over my toes. Now on the other side, the other foot, I'm going back in with a second coat. Guys, doing your toes by yourself is not easy at all. Like, you would have to practice to like get it. So I'm going in with my other foot and going in with a second coat as well. I'm just taking the cotton rounds and just going over the skin. The cotton rounds wasn't doing it for me, so I'm taking a cotton swab and going over the skin just to take out the extra paint that I put on my toes. And then I messed up my big toe because I saw something on the toe, so I end up having to remove the nail polish on that toe and just start over. Now I'm taking the top coat, which is from Sally Hansen as well, and going over the gel white nail polish just to set the color in, if that makes sense. Now I'm going back to put back on the white gel nail polish on that big toe that I had removed the polish from the first time. Now I'm going in with my Cetaphil moisturizing cream just to lotion and moisturize my heels, my toes, in between my toes, just my foot area in general. So this is how my toes look right now. They're not the perfect set of pedicures, but I do love them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay blessed.